Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about how to install apps without asking for the Apple ID password every time on your iPhone or iPad iOS 15 and 16. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, here you can see I want to install the app here, Easy Passa. Here you can see, and it's asking for the Apple ID password. So how to remove this? So just go back to your home screen, and what you need to do is just first of all launch your Settings app on your device, and then tap here on your Apple ID banner name, and then after that scroll it below and tap on Media and Purchases, and now tap on Password Settings. And after that what you need to do is just you have to turn the tool off for the required password for free downloads, and tap on required after 15 minutes and tap on done, and then just go back one step here, and here in Settings menu tap on your screen time, and after that what you need to do is just scroll it below, and here is the content and privacy restrictions, so tap on this, and after that if the toggle is turned off here for content and privacy restriction, then turn it on, and now tap on iTunes and App Store purchases, and from here what you need to do is just turn the toggle off here for the tone required, so check on this, and here, and what you need to do is go back, and here more importantly you have to turn the toggle off for the content and privacy restrictions, and then just go back and again try to install the app here. So here you can see, again tap on get, and here is the install. So as you can see, app installing right now without asking for the Apple ID password. So that's pretty much for today's video. If the video is helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.